Starting around 19 October 2023 in every practical sense, SPEL especially token especially is exchanging at $0.0004826 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. SPEL generally has a really all-out market cap of $51,838,432, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,220,399, which basically is genuinely huge. This in a real sense makes truly SPEL commonly token, SPEL, truly positioning at 368 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the SPEL truly token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will by and large SPEL certainly token in a real sense be especially worth in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? Is most certainly SPEL commonly token a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of huge manner? Will for the most part SPEL cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high? These essentially are our sort of SPEL in every practical sense, token cost expectations for SPEL's future, exhibiting how these explicitly are our particularly SPEL pretty symbolic cost expectations for SPEL's future in a huge manner. SPEL exceptionally token, SPEL, value expectation 2023 as per the SPEL kind of symbolic figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the SPEL cost by and large is supposed to truly cross a really normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal most certainly least value worth of for the most part SPEL extremely token toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to sort of be $0.00054,935, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides basically SPEL can sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.00059,828, which basically is genuinely critical. SPEL commonly token, SPEL, value conjecture August 2023. The SPEL essentially token, SPEL, cost for August 2023 may arrive at a truly least worth of $0.00045,274, while the fundamentally most extreme gauge cost in every practical sense is around $0.00050,934 in a kind of significant manner. The by and large normal cost for sort of SPEL is by and large anticipated to for the most part reach $0.00049,519 in August 2023, so starting around 19 October 2023, certainly SPEL especially token, certainly is exchanging at $0.00048,264 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in truly most recent 60 minutes, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. SPEL value estimate September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of SPEL especially token for the most part is gauged to basically be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.00049,142 in a sort of significant manner. The SPEL especially token value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $0.00052,914, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.00051,500 in United States dollars, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. SPEL commonly token, SPEL, value figure October 2023. For October 2023 the cost of truly SPEL sort of token explicitly is truly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.00053,045, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0.00054,974 and a kind of least of $0.00051,158, or so they generally thought. SPEL especially token, SPEL, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, in every practical sense, SPEL truly token value sort of is conjecture to basically arrive at a flat-out least cost of $0.00052,749 in an unpretentious manner. The SPEL cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.00057,096, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.00054,636, or so they in a real sense thought. SPEL sort of token, SPEL, value gauge December 2023. The SPEL really token, SPEL, cost for December 2023 may for the most part arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00054,935, while the kind of greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $0.000598828 in a significant manner. The genuinely normal cost for generally spell essentially is truly anticipated to really reach $0.0005681 in December 2023. Spell fundamentally token past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been truly diminished by 0.6% in its kind of current worth, so the normal cost for basically spell explicitly is especially anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.000495519 in August 2023, so starting around 19 October 2023 in a real sense spell especially token basically is exchanging at $0.000482664 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing how this truly makes fundamentally spell certainly token, spell, essentially positioning at 368 in the cryptographic money market in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell commonly token especially is confronting and in every practical sense, difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, showing how sort of spell especially token, spell, value figure August 2023, the spell token, spell, cost for August 2023, may arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.0004527 while the in every practical sense greatest estimated cost explicitly is around $0.0005094, which in a real sense is very critical. The spell in every way that really matters is down to nearly 1.79% over the most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every way that really matters, past beautiful few days. The coin could basically have serious areas of strength for exceptionally in any case, we don't especially feel that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment. Exhibiting how starting around 19 October 2023 fundamentally spell truly token fundamentally is exchanging at $0.000482664 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of especially spell explicitly diminished by 39.168%, disposing of an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of $0.000310776 from its really current worth, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent especially purchase a valuable open door for fundamentally fast speculation, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change in a real